Hey everybody, I got some of these Crest Whitestrips, and it's gonna be hard to show you guys exactly how it uses it, but I've been using these. You can see my teeth, if you look back at some of my old videos and some of my new videos, you'll probably see a difference that my teeth have gotten much whiter and better. So I definitely like these, so I bought up a new pack of these. These are just the Crest 3D Whitestrips with 2 bonus 1-hour express treatments. I don't know exactly what those are, but they're super easy to do. You just peel them and put them on there. It says to put them on your teeth when they're not necessarily the cleanest, but I don't know, for some reason I'm always brushing my teeth, so I end up putting them on after. But it seems to be working good. It's got like a peroxide layer, so it kind of makes it all nice and white. I haven't done it in about a week or 2, so got some more to try, so ran out. So very cool, these are awesome, so thumbs up on me. Links in the description to get some of these for yourselves. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.